Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am going to be using one of the new sticker books that are releasing from Kellofaplan and use it in a spread. So there are two new sticker books that are releasing, the summer release sticker books. We have I Love Summer Volume 2 and Happy 4th of July. These two are available now to purchase if you're interested. I did flip throughs of both of these in another video, so definitely check those out if you haven't already seen a flip through. And then there's gonna be some new planner covers, some very fun, bright, colorful, summer colored planner covers, which I'm actually using right now on this planner. This is not from this current release, this is from a previous release. I love this color. Heather has tons of covers in all kinds of colors. So I feel like you can find one that fits your style very easily if you go over there. Really nice covers. I always like to put one of these fancy covers on my planner, so definitely check those out. I plan on using I Love Summer to make a spread. I have a planner here from Kellofaplan. I'm going to use some summer pages from her planner to make a spread. We'll do this week and decorate a spread. I kind of have an idea of which one I want to use. I want like a fun, colorful one. So we're going to go, I think it's the last one. I really like the last one. No. This one. Was it this one? Oh no, I forgot because they're all really they're all really cute. I remember I wanted to do a fun, colorful one. Was it this one? That one's cute too. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this one, the pool day one. Oh yeah, because I like the little duck. I think that's kind of what sold me on that one. The duck is too adorable. Okay, so let's get some stickers down. So we have some planner pages. If you haven't seen or used one of Heather's planners, love the quality. The paper quality is amazing. And yeah, it's a really good planner. All right, so let's do a double box. I always like to put a double box for the weekend. And then these are fun, these little boxes I already have. Cute little rubber ducky, I actually like that. Okay, we have flowers. Let's stick some flowers down. And I think I want to do, ooh, the sun. Is cute. I could do the sun here. Yeah, do the sun there. And then I want to do maybe a box here and then another, like a decorative box here. Like one of these decorative boxes. Let's do this towel one. And then a box here. I'm gonna do green, so I don't have green over here. Do a green box here. Okay, that's a fun sidebar. And then I want something over here too. So let's do, the water stuff is cute. Maybe a beach ball or glasses. These look like pineapples. Oh no, I have the glasses here, so no. The water? No. This one? No. Something smaller. Okay, I guess I will do the beach ball. Just do it there. Okay. Already really cute. So, let's do more boxes. Oh, and there's actually other checklists. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna stick some checklists down. So I'll do the yellow over here. And I have bullet points too. What color? Not pink. Oh, I have orange. Orange boxes? There's only orange box. There's only one orange box. Oh. Okay, it's only one orange. Never mind. Green. No, green's too close there. Hold on, I'm trying to space out the colors. Pink. Okay, pink it is. Okay. Let's get a cute decorative sticker. This is cute, the little camera. Okay, more florals. Like one of these single ones. Okay, some more bullet points. These. Let's do green. More green. Do one here. And then, I don't know how I feel about this though. I'm not feeling it anymore. I think it's covering up too much of the box. Maybe another checklist. It's very functional. I'll stick it here. Just feel like I need more flowers over here. I barely have flowers. So I could do one. You know what? I always forget to like put them. Okay, that's staying there. I'm not moving that anymore. Put some up here. I always forget to decorate this up, like this area of the planner. Okay, how's that look? It's cute. I'm gonna do another bullet point here. I just feel like I have too much green now, so I might change the bullet point color because now I have this green here. So, okay, I think blue. Blue is probably a good color. I'm gonna just cover it up with that one, and then I'll do I'm gonna move these around a little bit. Just space them out a little bit more. Okay, I think that works. Cute. I might bring in some washi, but for now I think that looks pretty good. It's cute. All right, let's do this side. On this side, let's see, what do I want to do on this side? We'll do yellow. So I want to layer this. So we got this here, this box layered. And I want to put like some of these cool things down. I feel like this needs to go on the page. That. And I really like this. Little like splash. Put that there. And then also I really like these. I don't know why, I just like them. That's cute there. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Let's do another little, well, let me put a box down. Okay, we got green, go in here. Do a little splash, water splashes. I really want another duck. I'm gonna hold off. I usually don't like putting, well, I do have a duplicate here. Well, I could put a bigger duck here. I think it's massive. No. Pink. Oh, I need checklists on this side. Let me bring in some checklists before I fill up the page with other stuff. Okay, so I'll put one here. And I have one more. Put here. So then I'll put this box here. What other color do I want to get on here? Green. Probably more green. But I want to put more decorative stuff. I really like these little floaty things. So maybe I'll cover this up with the fish. Yeah, just so that way I don't have a camera kind of thing. That makes more sense. Okay, I need to get flowers over here because I started using the flowers, so I'm going to bring them over here too. So we'll do one here, blue one, on the edge. I should probably put something up here too, or something a little bit higher. Not exactly, but in this area. Okay. I just don't like that I have these two exactly like that. It's the only thing I don't like. So no, that's gonna stay. Sorry. I'm like wanting to pull stickers out, but it's probably not the best idea. But maybe I can do this one. Could I just put it down? Okay. Maybe I'll do a box over here with a box with the flowers. I think that's a good way to get that over there. Okay, what color? I guess blue. Oh, it's the same size. Okay. Sorry, I'm like very particular about what I can put where. Let's see, if I put this here, I want it here though. Yellow maybe? I don't know. I don't know. Yellow. I would want pink, but yeah, I feel like it needs to go here. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do there. Just get the flowers down. Okay, let's put some bullet points down. So I need bullet points on this side. Okay, so what color? Yellow, definitely yellow. Do a couple here. And then maybe green. All right, let's see what other decorative stickers. I feel like I'm good on function, so I kind of just want to focus on decorative stickers. So let's see what I got. I haven't put an ice cream for this little bucket. No. Let's do the ice cream. Oh, the ice cream's kind of big. How about the sunglasses? So I originally wanted to put these. Okay, I think that works. Are there more of those little splashy? Okay, there's this one. And then that's it. Let's see, can I put a little splash over here? I just like these flowers. Sorry, I think this looks better here. So. Don't be afraid to pull your stickers, okay? People used to get really mad at me about that. Because I would change, as you can see, I changed my mind a lot. But sometimes I just want it, you put things down and then you realize, no, this would have looked better over here. And like it starts feeling a little off and then you gotta adjust and yeah. And that's okay. It's okay if you do that. Because it's fun and you're being creative and I enjoy this process, so I'm cool with it. Okay, I feel like that looks pretty good. It's very colorful, very fun. The one last thing I want to do is I just want to add in some washi just because I feel like it needs washi. All right, I found some striped washi that I can use, and this is going to help to add in some fun color around this spread, which, well, it already has a lot of color, but to bring the color around the spread a little bit more. So I'm going to use a few different colors just to kind of tie it all together. And this is what will make it complete in my eyes. Washi. Okay, I want to do a little pink too. Maybe just a couple places on both sides. So like a little here. And we'll do some here. Yeah. Okay, now it feels complete. Fun. Okay, so that's gonna be my spread using the new I Love Summer sticker book from Kellofaplan. So if you're interested in purchasing this book, definitely check out my link down in the description, my affiliate link, and check out the new sticker books and the covers that are releasing. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching as I created this spread. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.